2019 Chevy Camaro V6 convertible. What we did on it was left the stock catalytic converters right there and right there, somewhere in there. Then it's got two factory catalytic converters in the back, right there. Then we put a True Flow X pipe right there, extra custom, and True Dual it all the way back to black tips, 4x18s. Right there to complete the look. There's the X pipe right there. You always want to put an X pipe on them. It equalizes the pressure, gives it that really nice tone without any exhaust cabbage. Comes out really clean and nice too. Hope you guys like it. 2016 Chevy Camaro V6. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it got secondary converters right there. Then we put in an X pipe, MagnaFlow MAGNAPACKS, and he had it straight piped out the back somewhere else. All right there, and right there, there's his original tips. You want those MagnaPacks, you'll see the link in the description below on how to get them. There it is right there. Let you guys hear it in a second. 2019 Chevy Camaro. This is what came off of it. We took the muffler off and the resonator. That's what was on it. You guys saw the after. Nice convertible black top, matches the tips. This completes the look of it. Absolutely beautiful car. Sounds a lot nicer and deeper than before. MagnaFlow gives it a really nice deep tone.